Find the coefficient of x system. 1 plus x2 plus 2 minus x2 prime. Okay, now let's take this to the power of 2. We can easily expand this first. So it's 1 plus 2x to the power 2 plus x to the power 4. Now, if you want to find the x system, we will have to combine 3 terms together. The product of there are 3 terms together. Now, 1 we have to multiply the term which gives you x to the power of 6. Okay, so you create the x system. Then you have 2x2. You want to have x to the power of 6. Then you must multiply the term with the x to the power 2. X to the power 4 times x to the power 2. You generate another term which have x to the power 6. Okay, again, x to the power 4. This must multiply with another term, x to the power 2. So x to the power 4 times x to the power 2, add together with x to the power 6. So the coefficient of x to the power 6 actually is the combination of 1 times x to the power 6, whatever the coefficient. Okay, so there's the first x system, then you got a 2x2 times the x4 term, that also generate the second x to the power 6 term. Then x to the power 4 times x to the power 2 from this binomial here will also generate the third x system. So we're going to find each of these terms and then multiply with this, and then after that we add all the 3 x systems together to get the final coefficient of x system. Okay, now so I'm going to rub this off first. Okay, let's look at the x2 term. Sorry, the x. We're talking about this x4 times x2. Now, for to get x2, this basically, remember this doesn't start out with the x to the power 1. This start out with the x to the power 2. So this basically, if I bracket it, actually is r is 1. Okay? Now, let's check up. I need more space here. Okay, now I'm not interested in the earlier term. Okay, I'm only interested in the term which have x to the power of we know the sufficient space. We have to go group. Okay, x to the power 2. This b, okay, minus this b. Okay, so to get an x2 term, I just need a 1 here. Okay, so this r equal to 1. Then your a will be 2. Then your n will be 5 minus 1. Okay, and then this will 5 c 1. Okay, so 2 times 1 give you the term x2 term, multiply x4 term. This will generate the first x system. Okay, now, so let's go and look for the next one is x to the power of 4. So that you can multiply with the x to the power of 2 here. Okay? Now, so the b is minus x to the term. So to generate this term here with the x to the power of 4 is the b. This is b to the power 2. So therefore, a become 2 is 5 minus 2 is 5 c 2. Okay, similarly, you have the third one, minus x 2 is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, multiplied by 1 here, you generate another x system. So therefore, your a, which is 2, so it's 5 minus 3 is 5 c 3. Remember this are the same. And then plus the subsequent one. Now, let's simplify this first. Pi C1 is 5. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. So, times 16. Remember, there's a negative here. Times minus x2. Okay, plus 5c2. This 10 times 8 times. Remember this even term, even power, so the negative disappears. So this generates x to the power of 4 plus 5c3 is actually 5c2. Okay, so this also gives you 10 times 4 times, change is an odd power, so minus x6. Okay, now, so plus dot 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 dot. So I'm going to multiply them. So this times this generate minus. Here you have to say already. So the x6 terms is 1 times this. So this is minus 40 x6. Okay. The next one is this times this. Okay, plus 2 times 8, 16 times 10 is 160. This x2 times x4 give you x to the power of 6. Okay. Then now, this minus here, so give a minus. 5 times 16 give you 80. X to the power 4 times x to the power 2 give you x6. Okay. Now, you get a negative one. Minus 40 minus 80 is minus 120. This positive 160 minus 120 will give you finally a 40 x6. Therefore, coefficient of x6 term is equal to 40. Okay, that's it. So this one is a bit more complicated. Why? Because you have to find 3 terms of x to the power of 6 and then combine them together. Okay.